I'm told that getting started is the hardest part of this for people that are just learning. So we're going to go through the beginning again. We're just going to fold this back where the front, the tail, what's going to become our tail is still flat here. And we're going to fold those back on till the wire touches itself back here.
Mm-hmm.
And then you're going to put your thumb down on that. So you're really going to flatten that out almost completely, which gives you that nice like depression there where it goes into this, from narrow, but it flattens back out in an arch. And then you're going to determine how long you want to make your loop. Smaller, we can make these, tiny if you want to. And then we're just going to fold that piece in. So that's the other part where this is a little tricky, is you're going to put that, what you first did, on top of this half folded piece of ribbon.
I think it's worth mentioning that you still have this on the roll of ribbon, so it has not been cut off.
It has not. You could, if you wanted to determine how much you needed to begin with, you could do that, but I usually tie them and then cut them because then I don't waste any. But so we've got that piece that we folded in halfway, and we put this part of the bow that we started on top of it, and then all you really have to do is, you've got that pinched together, is twist that velvet back to the front, and this is what you're kind of left with. Mm-hmm. So to complete the bow, we're just going to add there, and then this part is a little easier because we don't do that half fold. I just use a full twist.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just going to twist completely underneath my bow. And we made this one just a little bit smaller than the last one. But like I said, you can make these any size. We're just you're going to end up with it like this. This is, if I tie a bow with 20 loops on one side and 20 loops on the other side, it's like this. It's just layers of loops behind them. And then I go in and I pull them out the correct way. So this is kind of like a Tiffany styled bow.
And these would be perfect.
Works great with our Tiffany colored ribbon.
Yeah, and this is, I love this on the tree, but even if you're just trying to do, a lot of people love to do pretty gift wrapping, fancy gift wrapping, so this would be a beautiful bow for your packages at home.
And then you can kind of pull that a little bit forward. And then, again, we want to give this some dimension, some wave. Don't leave these just like, that's boring. This is fun. This is boring. Let's not do that. Let's give this some true depth and dimension by giving it some bend. And then I like to cut the tails in the ribbon. I think it's a much more tailored look, so I always fold and then cut.
Ta-da!
There's your bow.